Hey, are you working as an entrepreneur or as a business owner? As your turnover is less than 1.5 crore and you are struggling with the GST, you are not able to manage the GST the way it is required. You are facing more challenge while you are going to make the compliance of your GST and other taxations. If you are among of those persons that you are not able to manage your GST, your compliance effectively, then this video is very important for you. Please watch this video till the end and find the suitable answers for your business that can help you to grow more. Because when you are considering the compliance as a capsule, your business will be automatically increase more. Because compliance is one of the vehicle which can help you to increase the business productivity, business sustainability, and overall growth in your business. Think about it. Compliance is one of the vehicle for your business. With this, I want to bring one of the effective video that would help to the small and medium entrepreneur to run their business with the GST compliance. Most of the small and medium entrepreneur whose turnover is less than 1.5 crore is not able to generate more revenue because of non-compliance of the tax, non-compliance of the GST. Here one of the video that I wanted to break down for you, and that would help you to understand about how the composition scheme under GST would help your business to grow more, how composition scheme will help to create more practical platform for your business where you can be able to justify to your business with the tax and increase the level of productivity in your business. This is more important. So in composition scheme, who can opt the composition scheme? Any taxpayer whose turnover in any financial year is less than 1.5 crore is eligible to register under the composition scheme. It means if you are working as an entrepreneur or as a business owner and your turnover is less than 1.5 crore in any one financial year, you can be start and register your business under composition scheme. What form you need to fill for registrations under composition scheme? The form is very simple. You have to simply go and log in through your GST login password and go and fill simple form CMP02. Once you fill the form, submit to the government will approve and provide you the composition scheme confirmations. Who cannot opt the composition scheme? This is more important. While you are working as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, make sure that you are not under this category. You have to make sure. The manufacturers of ice cream, tobacco or pan masala is not eligible to register their business under composition scheme. Number one. Number two, person making interstate supply, including branch transfer from one branch to another branch, and the another branch is in the another state. It means when you are transferring your goods from one state to another state, and another state is where your branches exist. This is again the interstate supply, and you're not eligible to register your business under composition scheme. So business engage in making interstate supply, including branch transfer from one branch to another branch, and another branch is in another state, is not eligible under the composition scheme. Number third, business engage in making the business or run the business through e-commerce operator. So the business engage through the e-commerce operator is again not eligible under the composition scheme. A casual taxable persons or a non-resident persons, if these persons are supplying something, is again not eligible under the composition scheme. Or a business where entrepreneur and the business owner whose turnover is more than 1.5 crore is not eligible to register their business under composition scheme. So these are the 5 categories that you have to make sure that you are not under these list. You are not manufacturing of the Pan masala, tobacco, or ice cream. You are not making the interstate supply. You are not transferring the goods from your one branch to another branch which exists in another state. You are not the casual taxable persons or a non-resident persons. You are not running your business through e-commerce operator and your business turnover is not more than 1.5 crore. If you are among of these, then you will not able to eligible and register your business under composition scheme. So what are those availment that the entrepreneur and the business owner is required to manage? What are those availment that the entrepreneur and the business owner is required to make sure that this is the mandate that we have to keep in the GST compliance? In composition scheme, you are not eligible to take the input tax credit benefit. So any purchase, whether it is intra or interstate, any purchase, you will not able to take the input tax credit benefit on those purchases. If you have a different branches in one state, and when you are going to calculate the turnover for registering your business under composition scheme, then all these branches under the same PAN number would be considered as a one turnover. So different branches, the turnover you have to accumulate and consider one turnover. When you are in a composition scheme, make sure that you are issuing the bill of supply instead of tax invoice. Why bill of supply is important here? That because you are not charging any tax from your customer. You are paying the tax from your own packet. So make sure that while you are issuing the invoice, you have to mention the bill of supply, not tax invoice. You have to make sure that while you are availing the composition scheme, you are mentioning the composition taxable persons in notice or your signboard where your place of business is. So in the signboard, you have to clearly mention the composition taxable persons. While you are issuing the bill of supply, you have to make sure that you are mentioning there the composite taxable persons, else your bill of supply will not be treated as a valid bill of supply. These are the availment that you have to make sure that you are following while you are into the composite scheme availment. This is very important. The composition scheme, what returns you have to file. So for paying the quarterly tax, you have to simply use the form CMP08. 18th of the ending of the quarter, you have to make the payment of your tax. And that tax payment is very simple. What you have the outward taxable supply, you simply go and calculate, find out the tax rate for your business, simply calculate and pay the tax through CMP08. What returns you have to file? There is an annual return that you have to file and the return's name is GSTR04. You have to file on or before 30th April of the next financial year. So if you're talking about the financial year 2021 and 2022, then make sure that you are filing your return under composition scheme on or before 30th April 2022. So these are the returns that you have to make sure that you are filing. The composition scheme, the tax you have to pay in a lesser rate of tax that you have to use. So like how the 5%, 18%, 12% or 28%, that tax is not applicable on you. There are reduced tax that you have to use in your composition scheme. It is more beneficial for the small and medium entrepreneur whose turnover is less than 1.5 crore. You just simply find out within yourself that you are registered under. Your business is less than 1.5 crore. Then make sure that instead of going to register your business as a normal taxable person, you simply go and register your business by filling the form CMP02 and register your business under composition scheme. Get all those benefit and availment of the composition scheme and follow up and focus for your business that would help you to increase more. When your business is growing more, then you will start to find to come the normal taxable persons. But the composition scheme is one of the important tools that you have to use while your turnover is less than 1.5 crore. You do not have a more team size. You do not have a tax expert persons. Why you need to go and file the taxable as a normal taxable persons? This will not be help you to more to run your business effectively. When your business is growing, then you will start and convert from composition scheme to the normal taxable persons, and that business will help you to grow principally. So if you are among of those working as an entrepreneur or as a business owner, your turnover is less than 1.5 crore, then my dear friend, start to find out the opportunities in your business to grow your business and then convert your business registrations from composition scheme to normal taxable persons, and that would help you to grow your business overall. Find out within yourself and start your business with that tax compliance, and that would help you to increase your business more in terms of growth, in terms of productivity, and overall growth in your business. This is Sanjay Singh signing out. Until we meet again, thank you. Thank you very much.